Today we'll be starting S block. S block has two groups, group 1 and group 2. The general electronic configuration is Ns1 and Ns2. The elements of group 1 are also called alkali metals and group 2 are known as alkaline earth metals. The elements of group 1 are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, caesium, francium, in which francium is radioactive. The general electronic configuration is given here. That is, the first inert configuration is given, then the general one. And it is like helium 1s1, here neon 2s1, and so on. Here is the group 2. It has the elements that are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Here the electronic configuration is Ns2. So 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2 and 6s2 in their valence shells. And in this first, here is the inert configurations. Thank you.